This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joanne Sweeney Pllc. Fabulous standalone villa located in Linwood Glen, a beautiful small gated community within the Plantation Golf and Country Club. This 2,500 plus square foot home, offering maintenance-free living, with 3 bedrooms, 3 baths and an office/den, gives you a spectacular view of a natural pond from the huge Florida room. Featuring a newly updated kitchen with high-quality features, Bosch dishwasher, induction cooktop, all-wood custom soft close cabinets, also contains a dinette area. The great room has a built-in bar area and has a view of the pond as well. The master bedroom suite has a large walk-in closet, a newly updated custom bath with granite countertops, onyx tile and travertine floor. Also newly updated are the second and 3 indie baths, which have quartz countertops. The office/den has a view of the pond and a Murphy bed. New roof in 2020. No CDD fees. The home is conveniently located to Linwood Glen's residence private pool and clubhouse. Plantation Golf and Country Club membership is available, but not required, offering several levels of membership: social, tennis and golf. Plantation Golf and CC has 2 18-hole courses, a large pro shop, full practice range, a heated junior Olympic-size swimming pool and spa, bocce and pickleball courts, a fitness center, fine dining and much more. Come and live the Florida lifestyle. For more information, review the details below.